Got a little heat in the motor, y'all. How y'all think she sound with the new motor? What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Tay96. I'm back with another video for you guys. So I'm trying to keep the channel updated and update y'all on what I'm doing. And I haven't showed y'all the changes that I have did to my 79 Malibu. So today I'm gonna just do a video. Y'all make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what y'all think. Thank you, guys. All right, YouTube. So I done made it down here where the car is. Currently covered up, and it needs to be crunk. I'm gonna start by taking the cover off. Y'all remember this Malibu? It was a one owner car with a 305 in it, and I think it had like 67 or 69,000 original miles on it when I purchased it. And man, you don't see them this clean anymore at all, untouched. Back with y'all another video and gonna give y'all an update of the 79 Malibu. Much hasn't changed on the outside. Well, really no change on the outside, but it's a lot under this hood and change. And a few little things have changed in the interior. I got a custom mirror made from Sandman to my name and 79 Malibu on it. And I got 3 inches also added on here. And I got it tucked so that you can't see it from the outside of the car. But you can see it as we go under here with 3-inch magnum flow pipes on it. We can go in the inside of the car, YouTube. And my idea was to keep the car as stock as possible. So I didn't want to put no big fancy tack in the mirror. I have an odometer tack right here. And growing up as a kid, I always liked the odometer gauges. So I got liquid filled gauges right here mounted in the car as well. Let's see if it'll crank, y'all. Uh-oh. Where's the keys to it at? I think I left them in the door, y'all. Got an electric fuel pump by Holly on it, y'all, so it's may make a little noise. I could never be. Oil pressure good. Get a little heat up in the motor, y'all. Got about 69,000 original miles on it. Got a little heat in the motor, y'all. How y'all think she sound with the new motor? Got a little old small camshaft. It ain't that big. I'm still not done. I got an exhaust leak on this side that I'm going to fix. It's leaking from the header. I'm gonna double up on the gaskets or may put some silicone on it. But these tires do not stand a chance with this motor. don't stand a chance at all. Y'all tell me what y'all think in the comments about how it sounds. All right, YouTube, let's take it for a spin. I hope it moves. Will it move? Got some converter in it now. Oh man, this definitely one of my favorites. I always have been a G body guy. Car man, serious business, guys. With the new motor change, I built it to do like drag and drives and to street race, but most importantly, I was aiming for a certain number. I want this car to run low 10s, high 9s when it's all together. It's still in the beginning process. I still haven't put a rear end in it yet. I'm probably gonna put a 8.5 out of Grand National up in it. I got all new suspension parts, the rear end, everything to build this car to be able to go out and play in. But I'm still in the, like I say, the building process of it, man. The car runs so freaking good, man. A lot of people say, well, why did you tear up an original car? I always was a horsepower man, so I want something that's gonna be able to move. I want it to look like grandma's 79 Malibu, but I want it to be mean and make a lot of power to the rear wheel. I'm very inspired by the old man garage, Bill Hoskins. That's one of the reasons why I built this car, but more importantly, I'm a horsepower junkie and I love fast cars, so this is why I chose to build it. Still got a little heat in the motor. Oil pressure is good. Uh-oh. Got a little smoking. I'm just in drive, so they just show you what we working with. We got some serious power. This ain't just no average small block. It's actually an LS in here, guys. I want to show y'all the motor, but due to me being able to grudge the car, I'm not just ready to show the motor yet, but this car will get down. And get down at ease, not just when I say fast. This car will extremely move, and I still haven't figured it out yet. So that's why I'm not just on it like that, but it's fast and it scared me, so they just give you a ballpark of how much power it makes. Like I said, burnt the tire with me just easy and dry. I'm still in cahoots about if I want to change this from on the column. I know when I'm racing, I got to be very careful with shifting. I kind of want to mount a shifter here, but again, my goal was to stay original and close to original as possible with this car. The only thing that I wanted to give away with this car that it was fast in a street car was the tires and of course the mufflers that's on the car. But overall, man, this car it is extremely fast, and before long it's gonna break this rear end that I have in it. So I have to be careful of doing burnouts and stuff in it, because this little stock 7.5 is not gonna be able to hold behind 600 horsepower at all. So those two things that I got to get fixed with this car. Making it back home to park it. Really hate to put it up because it's so fun to drive. Just listen to the motor and how good it sounds through the exhaust. definitely got to get my AC back on, y'all. Y'all see, got the windows down. Kind of sound ironed up. It's my little old 79 Malibu that's been on the channel. I got more to come on it. Y'all stay tuned. RPM better 1400. My ideal is for it to be around 1000. I also noticed I got a little water leak coming, so I have to get that fixed. Y'all stay tuned. I'm definitely gonna be updating the channel with this car and the changes that I bring to it. Let me ask you this, y'all, YouTube. Would y'all leave the shifter on the column, or would y'all mount a shifter in the floor here? I don't want it on the stand. I kind of want one on the floor right here to be able to shift it. I may put a little nitrous on it as well. Y'all tell me what y'all would do in the comments. I also have RC Comp wheels, V-lock wheels to put on it. How often do y'all see Malibus that still have this trimming right here? And also with these wheels. And with the bumper impacts as well. I want to show y'all the motor, but again, I'm going to do a little grudging, and some of the folks I might grudge may be watching, and I don't want to scare them off, so I'm going to show the motor in a later down the line on the video. Let me get some of these ducts out the way first. But it's just got a little small little stock LS with a camshaft. That's all it is. Nothing to it. Just a good combination. Good combination I spec'd out that seems to work pretty good.